My video will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called Frivinho. In the video, I'll show you why exactly this ransomware is called like that, and also I will give you certain recommendations on how to possibly recover at least some of your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to do that. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. But regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Frivinho ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. And then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts the files and damages the files considerably, so it is then just impossible to use the data. The ransomware encrypts the files and tells the victims to pay a certain ransom for file restoration. And so now you can see the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware appends this extension Frivinho, and it also changes the desktop background into this weird one, and also reveals another ransom note as txt file. You should not pay the ransom, and you should not waste your money. Don't pay it, don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software, and so I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page computer.The. Go to this official site computer.The, download this software, install it, and then start carefully researching the system. Click on Start Scan button. The software will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. But first of all, it will update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other threats. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. So at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium, and this way your data would always be under the protection from further ransomware or malware or any other attacks. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover at least some of your data, and you can upgrade to premium and request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner.